Hi guys, and welcome to our new episode. I'm Nehal Helaly, and today we're going to be discussing a very important topic, which is why do we write? In the dictionary, the word write means to compose, communicate by, or send a letter to someone. Now I want you to remember this definition to the end of this video. Writing can be done for a variety of reasons, really. Some people write because it's merely their career. Others because it's their hobby. But these are really superficial reasons for writing. I want us to forget the 4 basic purposes of writing that we took back in school. I want us to dig deeper behind why we really write. And in order to understand what pursues us to write, we must understand the true meaning of writing. Writing is a way to communicate our feelings and our emotions, to tell our real life stories. Better yet, to create our own fantasy world that will never exist. To tell our dreams and our aspirations. And that is when writing becomes a way of living. It's like the air you breathe. Without it, you cease to exist. You write because your passion is so strong to the point that you want to pour your heart and soul out onto blank sheets of paper. You write to relieve the stress and the tension and the emotions building up inside of you. You write to be yourself. Better yet, you write to be anyone but yourself. To create your own little fantasy world. To escape reality. You write because your heart pounds out of excitement every single time you get a new idea for a book or for a novel or for a poem. You write because not writing would be like death to you. Like your freedom to express has been stolen away from you. Most importantly, you write because you hope one day your words will reach other people. And I do not mean that they're just gonna read your words and they'll be like, oh, that's nice. No, I mean, they'll feel your words in their soul. It's like reading a quote or a post on Facebook or Instagram, and the first thing that comes to your mind is, oh my God, this could have been written by me. Or, wow, I'm not the only person who feels that way. You write because you hope your words can one day inspire others. That it'll help them get through with their lives, just like it helped you. You write because writing is your sweet addiction, and nothing makes you happier than writing. Nothing in the world. Writing, if you remember what I told you in the beginning of the video, the definition of the word to write, all these reasons I previously mentioned can be summed up into that definition. Because we all have a reason or multiple of reasons to write. But we all have one similar goal. And it is that we create certain messages to a specific person, even if that person is you. Or you create it to a huge audience. So my advice to you would be, figure out what ignites that fire inside of you to write, and never, ever lose that spark. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love it if you guys would share with us in the comments below why you love to write. It could be anything really. Also, if you guys did enjoy this video, subscribe below and wait for our next episode. Bye.